Hello and welcome to the sixth part of the video series about the software signoSign 2. In this video we will extend an existing document type and make settings so that a stamp is automatically inserted when opened. The video descriptions allows you to jump directly to a chapter of this tutorial at any time. Insert content after opening. To insert content automatically after opening, we switch to the document types. Here we select the desired document type. In the lower area we find the option Insert content after opening the document. A click on the plus symbol opens a new window. In this window we can configure the content. An image and/or text can be inserted. The text can be entered manually, or the numerous variables can be used. In our example, we do not want to insert text, but a stamp as an image. To do this, we first enter a name for the content and then select the desired image file. Via Define Position, we can now position the content as desired on the document. In our example, we want to insert the stamp at a relative position. After we have activated relative positioning, we mark the search term, in this case, Signature Consultant. In the preview, we can then edit the size of the content. With a click on OK, the position is taken over. Then we accept all settings. Test settings. To test the settings, we simply open the configured document with signoSign 2. The stamp was immediately inserted automatically at the set position. The document can now be signed, including the stamp. In this video, we have now successfully configured a stamp for our document type so that it's inserted automatically. If you would like to learn more about the functions and configuration options, please take a look at our other tutorials or manuals. We thank you for your attention and are pleased about your further interest.